Hello guys. So I recently changed my thermal compound on my video card. This is my R9 280X, as you can see right here. So I ended up by not having the thermal compound bought it from the store. So I just change it with toothpaste and some oil cooking. So far, this is my video card right here. Really help focus. Anyway, sorry about the quality that I'm using. I'm just using my phone, my crappy phone. Okay. So I just added to the GPU the thermal compound that I mentioned before, the toothpaste and the cooking oil, and it actually works. I got it good temps in my MSI Afterburner after I tested a couple of times, and application, even games. So in the next video I'm going to post a couple of the games that I've played and actually work out for me. Okay. See you.